Hello guys, well done, God bless you. Okay, welcome to Dwoco Math Lab. And in this video, I'm going to be talking about conversion between binary and decimal number system. All right, under binary system, we want to say we can convert binary to decimal and then decimal to what? Binary. Okay, this is Dr. Tom K. I want us to quickly go straight to point, okay, without wasting too much of our time here. Is that clear? So I'm actually writing a book right now, okay, and I'm going to be talking from the book. Okay, that is my promise to my students. I told them I'm going to be talking from the book, and then we can actually put some things in order. Now, why do I have to focus on the book? The truth is, okay, I'm actually using both America and that's US and the UK curriculum in writing that particular book. So I want you to follow me closely as we get that done. This is Dr. Tam K. Here, I actually have started writing on this for you. Okay, conversion between binary and decimal. Like I said, I'm focusing on the British and the US mathematics curriculum. Okay, so quickly, how can we convert decimal to binary? Decimal means base 10, binary means what? Base 2. So how can we move a value from base 10 to base 2? Okay, now there are 5 steps to take. Okay, the 5 steps are: step 1, you go to what? Start from the right. Start from the right. Then divide by 2. That is step 2. Divide by 2. Step 3, record the remainder. Step 4, repeat the process. Step 5, stop when the quotient is what? 0. When the last part is 0, you stop. Is that clear? You stop, and then you take all the remainders, and that will form your base 2 values for you. Is that okay? So let's go practical. Let's convert decimal 13 to binary. Let's take decimal 13 to binary. Let me go to the board. If you come to the board here, all right, let me grab my pen. All right, we'll go to like convert base 13. 13 base 10. All right, hold on. Let me get that straight. 13 base 10. All right, to base 2. Okay, that's what we're going to do. So when 2 divide 13, what you're going to get is 6. Is that clear? Your remainder will be 1. Okay, when 2 divides 6, you're going to get 3, and your remainder will be what? Nothing. Now, when 2 divide 13, you got 6, because 2 times 6 is what? 12. And the remainder, of course, is 1. When 2 divides 6, you got 3. All right, 2 times 3 is 6, and you got nothing left. That's 0. When 2 divide 3, all right, you're going to get 1, and then the remainder will going to be 1, of course. All right, because 2 times 1 is 2. If you subtract 2 from 3, you got 1 left, and that's your remainder is 1. Now when 2 divide 1 is impossible, so therefore you write was 0, and then the remainder is 1. So now the quotient this time around, the quotient has become 0, and when that happens, you take these values, okay, as your final result for base 13 to base 2, and that's going to give us 1 1 not 1 1 1 not 1. Okay, so we're going to have that as our final value. 1 1 not 1 base 2 is our final result for converting base 13 to base 2. I think this is clear to you, right? If it's not clear to you, please feel free to drop your question. Okay, so that is why we have our results here as this. This is our result here. Okay, these are, I write that here in the book format. We have 1101 base 2. Now quickly, can we also take a look at moving binary to decimal? Can we now this time around take base 2 to base 10? Can we move base 2 to base 10? Yes, it's very possible. What are the steps? Step 1, start from the left, okay? Then assign power of 2. Then multiply and sum, okay? And we are good to go. So on that note, can we quickly do this? Can we convert base binary 1 1 not 1 to decimal? That is 1101 to base 10. Can we do that? Yes, we can do that. So let's go down here. Here, I'm going to put a tab now. All right, we're going to have something of this nature. Okay, we're going to have this time around 1. Okay, 1 1 not 1 base 2. So what we do is we'll take 1, we multiply it by 2, we take plus, we take 1 again, multiply by 2, we take not, multiply by 2, and then we take 1 multiply by 2. Is that clear? So we're going to take our powers here as 0. Start from your left. Okay, from your right, you take powers as 0, 1, and then 2 here, and then 3 here. Okay, I hope you understand my board, right? So you take 0, 1, 2, 3 from your left, okay, as powers attached to the number base that we are dealing with, which is base 2, right? Now under here, we're going to have what equals to, all right? Starting from this one here, starting from this value here, all right? 2 raised to power 0. is actually what? 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Exactly. So we got that. And of course, let's actually start from here. 2 raised to the power 3 is 8, because 2 times 2 times 2 into 3 plus going to give us what? 8. So let's write our 8 here. Plus, all right, I'll go to the next one, which is 2 raised to the power 2, going to give you what? 4. Times 1 give you 4. All right. Plus, and then just this other one going to give us 2 raised to the power 1 is 2. Times 0 is nothing. Exactly, that is nothing. 2 raised to the power 0 here, this one, 2 raised to the power 0 is 1, because anything raised to the power 0 is 1. Times 1 give us 1, so go to what? Plus 1. So what is our final result? The final result will be 8 plus 4 plus 0 plus 1. 8 plus 4 is actually what? 12. 12 plus 0 is 12. 12 plus 1 give us what? 13. So our final result will be what? 13. Okay, let's manage the board. All right. Okay, so now going to give us this. Let me open another board for us to get that. Now going to give us 13 base 2. All right. Okay, sorry, actually that would be base 10 now, because it has been converted to base 10. So do you understand what we have done so far? Right. This will going to give us this. You can see what I did, right? 1101 base 2. What did it take? The first digit by the base, raised to the power 3 plus 1 by 2 plus 0 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Having done that, attach powers to it, 0, 1, 2, 3, and then start taking your values. 2 raised to the power 3 is 8 times 1, 8. 2 raised to the power 2 is 4 times 1 is 4. 2 raised to the power 1 is 2 times 0 is nothing. And then 2 raised to the power 0 here is 1 times 1 give you 1. Add them up, give us what? 13 as a final value. So you're going to get 13 base 10. 13 base 10 as a final result. Is it clear to you? All right, guys, make sure you give it a thumb up and follow me closely as we go for more. Right now, what I'm going to do is quickly, I have to give you an assignment. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I will need you to take note of this. I'm going to like look for a way to write them down. We can do more of that. Okay, but then can you quickly take this home and start working on this? Okay, I'm going to do more of that for you as we move on. Okay, but I will need you to start doing this as a homework. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to screenshot this and drop these questions on the under the comment section, so they can pick them up and then start working on them. Is that okay? God bless you. I have 5 questions for you as homework. I'm going to see you in our next class. Bye for now. Dr. Tamko will be out for now.